Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this paper, we notice that we have an energy-aware operations model used for load balancing and application scaling on a cloud. The philosophically of our approaches defining energy optimal operations regime and attempting to maximize the number of servers operating in this regime. Ideal and lightly loaded servers are switched to on the sleep status and save energy, the load balancing. And then servers and you switched one of the sleep status and to stay same energy, and the load balancing and clouding algorithm also explores some of the most desirable features of server consolidations mechanisms discussing in this literature. Now discuss about flow diagram. So this is starting class, and then first start the cloud start, and then user enter. So user is first registration form, and then using the login frame, and then now user input username and password. So check username password if unmatched, again view the login frame. So if matched, this user is authentication users, and then go to the next frame. So users select the file and then send files. Now find the values. Values is based on the file size, and then file size comparison process, and then create a data center. So this data center is involved in cloud side environment. Data centers creator, and then create the data broker. The data broker is using to the allocate the virtual machines. This virtual machines is using on process running, and then find the load values. This load values based on the virtual machines based on size, and then load capacities, and then finally allocate the process file uploading or downloading. This is based on the user queries, and then final stopping process. Now start the demo for load balancing. First start home page, and then right click. So this is energy aware load balancing and application scaling for the cloud ecosystems. First start this cloud, start sim, and then users frame, home. So start, click. So first join us, use some users, enter Vijay, and then email ID at gmail.com. Password is Vijay, and confirm password is Vijay, and then enter age is 29. Enter here. This key is copy and then paste. The matches. The registration successful. Login is open. So using at gmail.com. So login is waiting for the authentication process, and get this location's cloud sim, and then Vijay check authentication. The username is correct, and send status to user. Get, this is toggle button, so accessing two process, correct, and then viewing uploading and downloading frame. Now uploading process. So some file is upload now. So choosing D, and then questions file. Now I am choosing 2 file, so I am choosing more than file. We can downloading any uploading file more than file. So this is full locations, and then get file name, only file name. So click here, this is text field. So which files you are uploading, once again checking that. So get file, click, and then get name and get file size. So same also process. So compute the comparisons level, and then so the computations level. So this is file size order, and then upload to the cloud. So process is running here. And then send acknowledgement, and then get that acknowledgement. Clouds file uploading, they click. Then you can create the dynamic data sentence. This is data center number, and then data broker, and then create virtual machines. So here, and then get data center, and then this is based on the allocation task. So files is comparison level, and compute the broken ID, load computations level, and then deliberation process, compute the comparison, compute the ranking, and then execution process. So send acknowledgement. So finally finished. Get result, all file is successfully uploaded. And then next, all file closed, and then first one start home page, close and start sim, and then this user home downloading process. Now in demo now. Click enter, login, get bijay at gmail.com. bijay. Get check authentication, the correct, and then send the status. So it's on. Correct. Now click downloading process, get email ID, and then this is uploading now here, and then get file, click, and then view this text area, send the acknowledgement to the cloud sim. File downloading process. So this is same flow, file uploading process. So again different data centers created, uploading and downloading. Virtual machines created. So tables, and then get load computation level, demand computations level comparisons. So compute the ranking, and then executions, send acknowledgement, get the download users. Next, get file downloading process running here. All files downloaded. This is comparison frame. So time comparison taking the 20 seconds uploading, but execution was taking the 80 seconds, and then retrieving a file 20 seconds, the 50 seconds is upload existing process retrieving the time.